Hey guys, so I've gotten to a point where I've got to start building the bench pieces in some of the spots because it's like a sandwichy layer building from the lower deck up, and the enclosed promenade deck, I've got to get some benches put in there because it'll be impossible if I don't. So I wanted to show you guys how I'm doing this. So you start off with your seat boards, I guess they're planks, and then you cut out two of the side rails. So after you do that, you've got those pieces there, and these are teeny guys, so just showing you, referencing a dime here to show you the size. These are little pieces, so even though it looks like I didn't cut that one out very good, that was actually about 12 cuts to get that out. Then you just touch it up with marker, and then the end result is a little bench like that. That's after I've touched it up with the marker. These are just crazy small. I'm actually kind of impressed on how they look with the printing on them. They look pretty realistic. See if I can get you a side shot here. Maybe if I can find it. Yeah, it's just too small. Can't get it to focus, it's so dang small. I'm just using the tacky glue, but I've found that the Aleene's squeeze tube glue is a lot runnier and it works better. So there you go, guys. Thought you might find that interesting on how small those are.